have a very engaging conversation today about the next phase of the MRA. We're revisiting our agreement with national institutes, and we've been exchanging ideas and looking for different ways to address the new agreement that is going to tackle key issues of the IIA and its global network.
I'm just really excited to talk about all of the potential that this profession has and what a great profession it is, and how we get the students and career changers excited about it. So it's been a wonderful 2 days. Thank you, AFIIA, for inviting us, and it's been great.
And so today I was talking about an overview of the ways that we're going to partner with AFIIA to work with national institutes on a common strategy for African advocacy.
And it's been so beneficial for our global board to understand progress and what things we need to work on as a board to ensure that members across Africa are successful, and that the profession is well positioned to move forward into the future, much like our Vision 2035 document describes.
Today we had the privilege of spending time with the global board of IIA, and as an AFIIA, we were able to ask all questions related to our institutes, our affiliates, etc., etc. So it has been a productive day. We look forward to seeing you in May. Come one, come all, AFIIA leaders.